Euler method using Python programming, we apply this method to solve the ordinary differential equation of the type dy by dx is equal to f of xy having initial condition y at x0 is equal to y0 and for the given value of h. So the y1 can be obtained by using the formula y1 is equal to y0 x0 plus h f of x0 y0, and this is the value of y1 at x1 is equal to x0 plus h. Similarly, y2 can be obtained by using the formula y2 is equal to x1 sorry, not x0, it is y0. So y1 plus h f of x1 y1, where x2 is equal to x1 plus h. So similarly we can, the general formula for Euler method is yn plus 1 is equal to yn plus h f of xn yn. For example, suppose we want to solve this differential equation dy by dx is equal to x plus y with initial condition, x plus y or x plus y with initial condition y0 is equal to 0 and h is equal to say 0.2. Find the value of y of 0.4 here. So here if you compare this dy by dx is equal to x plus y with the standard equation dy by dx is equal to f of xy, then here given f of xy is equal to x plus y, y0 is equal to 0, therefore the x0 is equal to initial condition x0 is equal to 0, y0 equal to 0 and h is equal to 0.2. So now we can find the value of y1 which is nothing but the y of 0.2. That is, what is y1? y1 is equal to x0 plus h, x1. Okay, so this is equal to y0 plus h f of x0 y0. So y0 is equal to 0 plus h is 0.2 f of 0. So this is equal to, what is f of xy? It is x plus y. So we want to add this 0 plus 0. So 0.2 into 0 plus 0, which is equal to what? 0. So this is the value of y of 0.2 is equal to 0 at, okay, that is this value gives us at value at x1 is equal to x0 plus h, that is 0.2. Next, the y of 0.2 can be obtained, that is by using the formula y2 is equal to y1 plus h f of x1 y1. Here y1 is equal to 0, h is equal to 0.2, x1 is equal to 0.2 and y1, just we have obtained the formula y1 is equal to what? This is the value of y1 which is equal to y of 0.2. y1 is what? y1 is 0, and therefore the value of y2 is equal to 0 plus 0.2 f of x1, that is 0.2, y1 is 0. Okay, so what is the f of xy? f of xy is x plus y, so it is 0.2 plus 0. So this is equal to 0.2 into 0.2, which is equal to 0.04. Okay, this is the value of y2, and which is nothing but y of 0.4 is equal to 0.04. So this is the answer we obtained by using Euler method. Okay, now we can solve this differential equation directly to obtain the exact differential equation. The given differential equation is dy by dx is equal to x plus y. Now all of we know that we can solve, there are several methods to solve ordinary differential equation, that is variable separable is there, then variable separable, reducible to variable separable, homogeneous differential equation is there. Okay, so by exact what is the exact solution of the given differential equation dy by dx is equal to x plus y. Now we can observe that this differential equation can be written as dy by dx is equal to dy by dx minus y equal to x. So this is the linear differential equation. This is a linear differential equation. If you compare this differential equation with dy by dx plus pxy equal to q of x, then p of x is equal to minus 1 and q of x is equal to here x, and integrating factor is I have e raised to integration p of x dx, so it is equal to e raised to integration minus dx, so it is e raised to minus x, and the general solution can be obtained by using the formula y into if integrating factor into integration q if integrating factor dx plus c, and therefore y e raised to minus x is equal to q is x e raised to minus x dx plus c. Now we can solve this integration. Integration by parts. E raised to minus x into integration of e raised to minus x is e raised to minus x into 1 minus derivative of x. So derivative of x is minus derivative of x is 1, and again integration of e raised to minus x is e raised to minus x divided by minus become plus c. So if you simplify this, then y e raised to minus x is equal to x e raised to minus x minus e raised to minus x plus c. So here if you divide this equation by e raised to minus x, then it is equal to y is equal to x minus 1 plus c divided by e raised to minus x is what? E raised to x. So this is what exact solution of the given differential equation. Okay, the value of c can be obtained by using the initial condition. What is the initial condition is given? Initial condition is given y0 is equal to 0. So here in exact solution, if you put y is equal to, since y0 equal to 0 implies when x is equal to 0, then y is equal to 0. So if you put this value here, then you get 0 is equal to 0 minus 1 plus c e raised to 0. So this implies c is equal to 1, and therefore the exact solution of the given differential equation is y is equal to x minus 1 plus e raised to x. So this is what exact solution of the given differential equation. Now you can obtain the any value of y at given value of x. So here by using Euler methods we obtain the solution of y of 0.4 is 0.04. So what is the exact solution? Now there will be an error between exact solution and approximate solution. It is a numerical technique. Euler method gives solution to the ordinary differential equation by using numerical technique. So y of 0.4 is equal to 0.4 minus 1 plus e raised to 0.4. So if you solve this, if you use your calci, say, okay, just 1 minute, 0.4 minus 1 plus e raised to 0.4, then it is equal to 0.8918. Now you can see here the error is the solution obtained from Euler method is y of 0.4 is equal to, what is the solution by using Euler method? The solution by Euler method is 0.04, and we obtain here solution is what? 0.8918. So if you observe, the error is very large. Error from exact solution, this is what an exact solution, exact, and this is what an approximate solution by using Euler method. So error is very large. We can reduce this error if we increase the number of steps. Here within a 2 steps we get y of 0.4. So here if you increase your number of steps, for that your h should be small. If your h is small, then you can reduce this error, the error from exact solution and approximate solution. Now we are going to code this method in Python programming. So you can observe here what is the error between exact solution and exact approximate solution. So first of all, we want to define a function, define f of x y is equal to, define a function f of x y is equal to x plus y. So we want to return here, return x plus y. Now next we want to enter the value of x0. So x0 is equal to float enter x0. Similarly we want to enter y0, enter the value of y0. Next we want to enter the value of h. You can also calculate the value of h, and next after this program we are going to modify this program for h also, n also. Okay, so next we want to enter h. Input is left here, h is equal to here float input again. Next we want to enter n also. So n is equal to, now it is an integer number, so integer input enter n. So next, by using for loop, for I in range n, y1 is equal to y0 plus h times f of x0 y0. Next we want to modify our x0 y0. So x0 is equal to x0 plus h, and y0 is equal to y1. Okay, so now we are going to print value of y at x is equal to, say, x0 is equal to, say, y0. Now you can see here, this is the program. By using this program we can obtain the value of y at given by using Euler method. So if you run this, okay, enter x0. So x0 is 0, initial condition, y0 is 0, x0 is x0 not, it is what, h. Want to modify this, so h is 0.2, enter n is equal to, say here 4. So now you can observe here the value of y at 0.2 is 0, at 0.4 is 0.04. You can also we manually also calculated this y of 0.4 is 0.04 by using Euler method. So you can see here it is 0.04. Now but if you observe there is some error here. Instead of x0 want to print here h, enter your h. Again you can see the output of x and y is not want to round up this x and y. So by using round up function, so round our x0, since it is a floating point number, we want to round this to 2 digit places at 2 decimal places, and y0 at again round y0 to again say 3 decimal places. Okay, so now if you run this code now, unexpected indent at line number 12. Here one bracket missing. So now to run this, enter x0. Okay, so now x0 is equal to 0, y0 is 0, enter h 0.2 and number of steps say 4. Then you can observe here the value of y at 0.2 is 00, at 0.4 is 0.04 and so on. Similarly, if you run one more time, suppose we want to determine what will be the value of same differential equation dy by dx is equal to x plus y with initial condition y0 is equal to 0. So what is the value of y at 1 using h is equal to 0.1. Now if h is equal to 0.1 means n is equal to number of steps should be 10. So if you run this code, here x0 is equal to 0, y0 is 0, h is equal to say 0.1 and number of steps say 10. Then you can see here this is the value of y. Finally we get the value of y when x is equal to 1.0. At 0.1 the value is 0, at 0.2 it is 0.01, at 0.3 it is 0.031. You can manually also obtain by using Euler method. For example, if we evaluate the same, say here dy by dx, f of xy is equal to x plus y, y0 is equal to 0, x0 equal to 0, h is equal to 0.1, and therefore y1 is equal to y0 plus h f of x0 y0. So this is equal to 0 plus 0.1 f of 0 0, and which is equal to what? 0. So y2 is equal to y1 plus h f of x1 y1. So y1 is equal to 0, h is 0.1, f of x1 is 0.10. So this is equal to 0.1 into 0.1, it is equal to 0.01. And now you can see here it is 0.01 at 0.2. Okay, y2, that is here it is equal to say y2. Y2 is what? At x2. Y2 use the value of 0.2 is equal to what? 0.01. And you can observe here from Python we also get the value of y at x is equal to 0.2 is 0.01. Now we are going to calculate the error. What is the error? For that we want to print the exact solution of the given differential equation. Now we obtain the exact solution by using linear differential equation. The exact solution of the given differential equation is x, this is the solution, x minus 1 plus e raised to x. So here now import math, now define f of x is equal to, or y of x is equal to, say f of x is equal to, now since it is a solution it contains y, we express y in terms of x. So return what is solution? Exact solution, it is x minus 1. So x minus 1 plus import math dot exp exponential function x. So now so exact solution is equal to, say, f of 1. Exact solution is what? F of 1. Print f of 1. Exact solution is equal to, exact solution is f of 1. So print exact solution, exact answer is equal to, okay, say f of 1. Now so this is the what, here we enter x0, y0, h, n, then by using Euler formula we obtain y1, then we again we find the x0 is what, x0 plus h. For next iteration y0 will be y1, and then we print here x0 and y0. Next, by using this formula we calculate the, this is what, exact solution of the given differential equation. Then this is the exact value of f of 1. So now if we run one more times, x0 is equal to 0, y0 is 0, h is 0.1, and n is equal to, say, 10. Now you can observe here the exact solution is what? Exact 2.71. There is some one error. X is equal to x minus, there is one error in exact solution. Okay, I think this is not our exact solution. You can see here that this is our exact solution, but one mistake is there. You can see here it is x e raised to minus x divided by minus 1. Because of this minus sign, x is not plus, it is what? Minus x. So it is minus x minus 1 plus e raised to x. So here minus x minus 1. Now we'll get exact solution of the given differential equation. x0 is 0, y0 is 0, h is equal to, say, 0.1, number of steps is equal to 10. Now you can see here, this is what the solution of y at x is equal to 1.0 using Euler method is 0.594, and by using exact solution it is 0.7182. So we can print the error also. So error is equal to absolute value of f of 1 exact solution minus approximate solution is y0, because finally y0 gives us value at xn. So now we want to remove this, and instead of that we are going to print error. So print error is equal to y0, sorry, not error is equal to error. So now here you can also, there is one change also. What is x instead of but here we define x is x0. This f of 1 is nothing but our x0. Okay, so f of x0, so there is no need to modify every time 1. Clear? Now if you run, say x0 is 0, y0 is 0, h is equal to 0.1, number of steps 10. Now you can see here the error is 0.124. Now if you decrease number of steps, then what happen here? Suppose 0, 0, and h is 0.2, and number of steps is only 5. Now you can see here we will get the y is value of y is at x is equal to 1.0 is 0.488, but the error is what, 0.229, and in previous when we take the number of steps more, then error is very small. So if you increase the number of steps, then error is very less. For example, if you run one more times, and at this time suppose x0 is 0, y0 is 0, h is equal to 0.1, and number of steps is 10. One more times, x0 is 0, y0 is 0, h is 0.05, and number of steps say 20. Now you can see here the value of y at x is equal to 0.11 is 0.653 by using Euler method, but here the number of steps are 20, and in that case error is 0.064. But you can observe when number of steps are less, the error is 0.2299, and here also the error is 0.124. So if you increase the number of steps, then error will be reduced, and error represent the difference between exact solution and approximate solution. Thank you.